Hello, everyone. I don't know anything about this meat. Just gonna show it to you. I just know it's beef stew. That's it. So I'm gonna make some today, and guess what I'm gonna do with it? So I have this pack of beef stew, and it was $7.76 a pound, $2.14 net weight, and $16.61. So whether that's a good, I did the best I could. So I'm going to take this meat, take care of it. Then I'm going to put it in this crock pot. I'm going to let it simmer down until it's like almost falls off, whatever. And then I'm going to put it over my rice and beans that I ate last night. I'm not sure if I'm going to put a little bit more in there to extend for a few extra meals, but that is my agenda for right now. And I'm going to put it in this bowl, but I'm going to touch the other side of the room first. Bye bye. Be right back. I decided to use the whole pack, so I'm going to put it into my crock pot, and then I'm going to plug it in. But I'm kind of figuring where I want to plug it. I am so thankful for all of the sockets that we have. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, I am almost positive. Oh, that makes 7 just right here in the kitchen. Okay, I'm going to put this on low right here. Now, I did get some salt-free garlic and herb. Not that I need it, but I wanted some extra garlic in there. My daughter always say put garlic powder and the garlic. So I'm going to take that off. Lord have mercy, that smells good. And I'm going to be very nice and love up the meat, boys and girls. When it comes to garlic and seasonings and that type of thing, I don't have a problem with a heavy hand. You're not gonna believe what I did, but I thought I was buying this, and look what I ended up buying. I think that's the price I paid. I think I paid the price for this. Oh, boys and girls, you don't know how unhappy I was to see that little jar. Woo. I'm going to put in a little bit of pepper, a little extra garlic. I'm going to leave that right there just for a few minutes. I'm leaning towards, since I did put a little garlic, a little bit of, maybe I'll just toss in some pepper. I don't know if pepper was in there. I'll put some pepper in there. I'm just so excited to taste this on top of my rice with my beans. I had beans and rice for breakfast this morning. Beautiful. Okay, there goes that. Put that over there. I don't believe I need any paprika, but turmeric is good for health issues. And I know I bang it every time, so please disregard that. And I'm going to put the top on it and simmer that for a few hours until it basically comes undone. Now, I don't know if someone that I like to watch cook would put soy sauce or Worcestershire or all that other stuff. I do have some of that, but I'm going to let this cook down and then come back later and take a little taste from it. But for right now, that's my meal. And then I think I'm gonna make some type of snack. I do have some chicken wings. I hope those are chicken wings, but I did get some beef this time because I miss beef like a lot. But beef takes so long to leave your system. But I got some grass-fed ground beef, and I believe I was told to pick up 93%. Yeah, yeah. So hopefully I got the right one, but that's 93 and that's 7%. Now I'm not remembering all of the, but this is supposed to be better for me. So I'm gonna take care of this packaging over there. But I believe I'm gonna make me something to eat. I do want some pasta, some cheese, some ground beef, but I don't actually want to eat pasta right now. So I'll take some time and figure it out. Now this pack of meat is chicken thighs. I chose um, boneless because someone that I know likes boneless, but this this was 372 per pound, and I can't read that. And then here is 248, and it was 923. So I don't know the bells and whistles on that. I'm just showing you, and it has no bone. I'm kind of thinking of to make this, but I may just make a little egg or something. I'm just gonna make me a few eggs, and lay down. I'm not feeling too well. I can work on the rest of my evening later. And I'm horrible. I don't know who does not like onions and garlic. Onions and butter. And I'm horrible at cutting eggs, but these eggs are tiny. Ooh, no wonder why. I need a nice selection of eggs in my bowl, boys and girls. This is what I'm gonna have for breakfast, because I don't feel well. I'm tired. I keep getting dizzy because it's hot. Oh, I'm so tired. I don't like to spread raw egg everywhere. Make sure I keep my eye on that little spoon thing. Salt free. I'm gonna put a little salt in it. A little bit. I believe that I should have just used the garlic and herb. But you know what? I'll just use regular garlic. I have to put my specifics on the counter. Oh, Lord, I almost fell. Boys and girls, y'all would have heard me screaming. Y'all don't miss that. Don't miss that. I'm going to enjoy using this pan more often because It's just beautiful. I saw a famous cook using this frying pan. I said, oh, no wonder why TJ Maxx had it. It surely does wake up. That smells delicious, boys and girls. That smells delicious. Ooh. Oh. Now I'm just gonna throw a touch of this in there. I cannot believe I had about maybe 6 or 8 of these. And guess where they're not at? It's okay though. It's okay. It's okay. I wanted to put some pepper in it, like a green pepper. I just can't stand up too much longer to cook. So what I'm gonna do is do the best I can with what I can do, and that's it. You know what I'm saying? I need my onions cooked a little bit longer, but I don't necessarily want my egg to be extremely dry. I saw this man cooking like a restaurant cook. Oh, when I say his eggs look pristine, they look pristine. So that's my my meal right there, boys and girls. That's my meal. And then I'm gonna have some of this grapefruit. I don't know if I can eat grapefruit, so I said I was gonna try it. Grapefruit sent me to the hospital like tons of times. So I'm gonna chill this so I can have it because I love grapefruit, but I don't love the hospital. So my eggs are done already, but I don't want them nasty, like dry. My onions are whatever they're gonna be. I do see a gloss on them, but I can't stand here any longer. This is going to my. I don't want anyone to feel sad for me. And I want you to know if you have health issues and you need to cook, do the best you can. Don't be worried about what other people think. Just do what you can do for yourself. I love hot sauce and ketchup on my eggs. But I don't like how this top is always. I wish we could find another method to this madness. Just gonna take it and put it on ketchup. I love ketchup and hot sauce on my eggs, boys and girls. And this is almost empty, but you do know I have another one. So don't feel the need to remind me. I have to. I'm one of those funny type of shoppers. I need to make sure I have it before I run out. But this is very good. Ketchup and eggs. Do not miss the onions, boys and girls. Do not miss the onions. It's so unfortunate I have to give up on cheddar cheese because cheddar cheese has a sleep agent in it. These eggs are delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing, all that good stuff.